How to start a business on Temu. I'm going to tell you how to start a business on Temu. Right now, Temu doesn't allow just anyone to open a storefront like Amazon or Etsy. It works more like a curated platform where only approved manufacturers and large scale suppliers can sell. So if you're looking to start a business on Temu as a seller, you'd need to apply through their parent company, PDD Holdings, usually via Pinduoduo supplier portal, and they're mainly accepting factories or wholesalers from China. But if you're outside of that, the most realistic way to build a business with Temu is reselling or drop shipping. You find a trending item on Temu, list them on your own website, and fulfill orders manually. It's more of a workaround than a formal partnership. Just be aware of shipping delays, branding issues, and lack of automation tools. So to recap, you can't easily sell on Temu, but you can build the business with Temu as your supplier. Just be smart about logistics and customer experience.